Okay, finally we are on the stream. I hope you guys are excited. I'm I'm sure probably like these 5% are just like cash. Uh if you're on the stream, the chat is real time, so you can comment and I should be able to see it on the stream or something. But otherwise, if you're watching this later, welcome to the stream, and I'm very happy to have you here. However long you stay, it's a thing of joy to me that you want to be part of this. But starting from tomorrow, I'll probably have to do a design, like make announcements and stuff. But live streaming is back, and probably talking to nobody right now. But just for the sake of that, we are going to be doing more daily. We're going to start the daily live streams right now, and officially we're doing a launch on Monday next week. We're gonna have our first guest on the show. There's no name yet, and I did not want to wait till I had like a perfect name to get it started. And but the conversation is gonna be around tech and also around AI generally. This and for the next 30 days, the goal is to go live every day. And I'm thinking of structuring this in a way where we go live in the morning. So we do like an hour, 30-minute live stream in the morning, and that is just a roundup of what happened the day prior. And later in the evening, around 6 my time, which is around 5 p.m. London time, or 6 p.m. my time, or 7 p.m. Depending on how this eventually happens, we can go live in person. Not in person, anyways. Like we can do another live stream right here. All right. So that's it. That's like the plan, and just to bring you guys closer to the edge of what's going on with this space. And I would love to see you guys be on top of the chat with these things, AI or AI stuff. Also, now I did not even confirm if my audio is working well. I just started yapping. And if you notice, you see that I have some like construction work in progress. So I'm still working on the look and visuals for this. I don't have like the concrete thing yet. I'm literally gonna be making this in real time. So if you come back later and the UI or the style or the layout has changed, that's the reason why. So we're not gonna wait till we get the perfect look. Let's just kick it off with what we have and keep it moving, okay? All right, so that's the intro. That's the backstory of everything. That's the backstory of everything. And hopefully I got you excited a bit. This one is laid back and I have some few things planned. First, I want to try out Claude skills. So apparently you can create videos with Claude Code now and all the awesome tools out there. And Claude literally just writes the code for you essentially. But the cool thing is Remotion allows you to create videos with code. So you can create videos with code. But now you can use AI to write those code and you just get videos back. And that feels like magic, right? Let's test it out. So we're going to do the whole process of installing it and taking a look at all the bunch of awesome things that is currently trending in the space. And we got about an hour, 30 minutes for this morning segment. And then later in the evening, we can switch into the full detailed live stream mode. And I should hopefully have a guest with me. But like I said, Monday is a full launch. Monday, we're going to have like from Monday to like however it is, we're going to have 30 days where we have people on the show back to back and we converse, we chat, we talk about AI, we look at their products, we look at everything, we talk whatever it is, or we build something live. Basically, I want to learn from you and you got to learn from me back as well. So that's the way it's going to happen. That's the segment. There's literally nothing more than that. And if this sort of thing excites you, I would love that you follow or you like and sub. So W's in the chat. Feel so cringe saying that, but I should get used to saying that because it's me shouting out you guys for being part of this. Anyways, enough yapping. Let's see what we got today. So like all things, Claude skills have been trending. Skills generally have been trending, and Twitter is the best place to get like an update on all this stuff. Honestly, like you cannot go wrong with Twitter. I should probably switch this cam. Let me see if I flip it. Flip horizontal. All right, you cannot go wrong with Twitter. You cannot go wrong with Twitter. You can. Yeah, you can't go wrong with Twitter. Wait, let me flip this. Just want to flip one of the audio so that I can see. I can flip horizontal. All right, so see my hands. I think I prefer the other way. Transform, flip horizontal. Okay. Everything should look peachy now. Let me confirm my audio. So it seems everything is good. Okay. Everything is peachy here. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right, so like I said, a number of this stuff happens on Twitter. Twitter is like Twitter, of course. We all know Twitter is like the hub to get news. So we're gonna start with Twitter, go through a number of the stuff that people are showing about it, and we can pick it up from there, right? Right, guys, right? Anyways, welcome to the Money Show. This is your boy Core. And I'm doing the gospel work right here, man. I'm doing the gospel work and getting you the resource and coagulating the news. I'm aggregating the news for you so you can find them in one place. That's it. So you can find it in just one place. And of course, I'm on Twitter. So if you can see my screen, that's a good thing. And if you can't, that's not good. That's not good. Right? That's not good. Just confirming my everything works. We got to double check. Double check. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not gonna buy a new phone now. All right. We live. Welcome, guys. Take a seat. It's about to go down. All right. So, Claude skills. Remotion releases AI agent skills for Claude coding, enabling rapid video creation. So, I'm just gonna pull that open because that's like the craziest thing right now, and I want to show you what exactly that looks like, and then we can get into it. So, Remotion is a tool that exists that allows you to write code, and that code will produce videos. And now they just did something. They released something called the agent skills. And skills are literally like instructions that teach an AI agent how to carry out a particular task. And oftentimes this task requires some fine tuning. When I say fine tuning, I mean like AI might do it in a certain way that might be great, but because you as an human, you're giving it a skill pack, you've kind of been able to design the recommended way or the appropriate way to do it. And now this AI agent can leverage that system and do it exceedingly abundantly fantastically, if that's a word, can do it well, and that's just great and go. So agent skills exist in Cursor, Claude, everywhere. Everybody's using agent skills now, and Remotion just shipped their agent skills, and now you can make videos with just Claude Code. So Claude Code is the most popular AI agent tooling out there right now, right? But Cursor is also like really great, and I really advocate for Cursor because I mean I use it a lot, and there's also another part of that conversation that I'm not going to get into. But whatever you can do with Claude Code, you can do with Cursor. That's straight fact, right? That's straight fact, and I use Cursor a lot. I stopped paying for Claude Code. My sub, I think the last sub I did was the max sub, the $100 sub, and that ended. And I was like, you know what? I kind of have Cursor, and with Cursor, I got access to all the models that are open. Claude Code is kind of tied to the ecosystem of Anthropic, and that's not a bad thing because it's really good. So there's no need to have all the other systems when you only use the great one. So, but with Cursor, I can use GPT. I can use GPT. I can use Composer. And if you don't know, Composer is Cursor's own AI model and is the fastest one in terms of speed. That stuff be fast. It's really fast. So that's all I gotta say about that. But back to this, Remotion has just shipped AI agent skills. Maybe I should just zoom this in a bit so that we can see this clearer. All right. Okay, so back to this, I got distracted. MPX skills add Remotion dev skills, right? So what this allow you to do is you can give this to your AI agent, and it will be able to write Remotion really well. And this animation was created just by prompting. You would not believe this, but I mean the internet should. But this right here was created just by prompting. Take a look at it. Can you guys hear that? Okay, there's no sound, no music. Agent skills now available. Remotion plus Claude plus Open Code. So Open Code is like Claude Code, but it's Claude Code, but what's it called? It's Claude Code, but open source. And it's Claude Code, but open source and like open router. So it allows you to do everything Claude Code can do, but the API that you talk to, or the model, or the engine you talk to, can be switched up. You can replace the engine you're speaking to, right? That's where I think about it. So think about it, what you do with Cursor, just in case you guys don't know what that is. All right, so let's see. This is the video about like the old prompt on the floor, right? I think I have one video maximizer. Yeah, allow. Okay, so this is the video for the floor. Prompting. These are all the prompts right here in the terminal, and now the AI is writing a prompt. As you can see, is writing out the entire flow for everything, and it's rotating it, and literally just the amazing thing about this flow is you do nothing. You just keep watching, and then you fine tune, and you kind of fix it up. But as you can see, it's writing up the entire thing right now. I think I should hide my camera so you can see, right? It's writing up everything. You can see that. So it's gonna write up everything. This is like a very sped up version of that. This post should have been an article. Don't say that. All right. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you is this is the coolest thing I've seen all year. Right, this is the coolest thing I've seen all year. You can literally make launch videos, and the crazy thing about this is if you can build a system around this that works really well. I mean, it's about to go down. So we're gonna do something with this. We're gonna try to set it up in Cursor. I mean, Claude Code is what is used here, but we're going to try to set it up in Cursor 1, Then the other thing we're also trying to go to, once we set it up in Custom, we're trying to create a video from that, see how we can use it. All right, that's chill. Okay, so what does it take to actually work on this? And before we do that, let's actually see some examples that people have done with it. I think I can see view post engagement. I can see quotes, and trust me, people be creating stuff. Video editors and motions are cooked. All right, this one looks like a rage bait. Let me just wipe my eyes. I got itchy spots here. Okay, V0 for motion graphics. So this one's by Yinka. AI is getting insanely good. Made this vid in less than 30 minutes with a few prompts and added some sound effects. Check out the Ep wallet tracker. All right, cool. Wait, I don't feel like this is a rage bait. Ain't that something? Okay. Wow. If he actually did it, that is cool. Looks like a vibe coded app, by the way, but wallet tracker. Anyways, amazing stuff. Then there's a made a video for post bridge, Remotion plus Claude Compose anti-gravity. Wow. Check this out, man. Like, you take this, you add a little bit of chord and sound effects, and you are golden. Like, it feels very cool what you can do, especially if you know some basic editing skills and you can add sounds and stuff. Imagine, watch this, right? Watch this right here. This one just became active, right? All right, I'm messing this up really bad. All right, watch this. Okay. Check out the Ep wallet tracker. All right. No, let's move on. Let's move on with it. Let's see another one. There's several ones on the screen. This one is definitely a rage bait. I think I saw this example earlier, and this guy was like rage baiting. So it did not use motion. He just said it did it, which was not emotion. So let's see other stuff. Video editors are cooked. I made this video in 30 minutes, only took 3 prompts. This feels like a rage bait as well. Wait, might now actually be a rage bait. Oh yeah, it's a bait. Thank you for taking the bait. Thank you for taking the bait. I just created this with Cursor AI in another 10 minutes. All right, this one looks original, looks real. Let's see, is it a bait? No, it doesn't look like a bait. Looks vibe coded. All right, you got the pop-ups and the sound and all that testimonials.
Visit widgetgen.com.
Ooh. Okay, enough of that. Claude just generated this video from 1 prompt. It's over for motion design. I feel like this is also a rage bait. Why are people just making fun of this stuff? I mean, it could do some absolute stuff. I don't like AI. I feel like it's gonna ruin a lot of stuff for people, right? Makes me sick in my throat thinking about it. All right, so this one is definitely worked by. It's not a rage bait. That one was definitely created by AI. See how terrible it looks. All right, let's see this one. And the best use on chain. Okay, what are you about? Okay. Are you for real? Ooh. So it feels vibe coded. It feels AI-ish, but it looks so well done. Like, the reason why I'm saying this is because of this region right here. Like, this looks like a vibe coded thing compared to everything, right? And the color matching and everything. Wow. This guy possibly has some development skills because he was able to make that look very clean and like effortless. The transitions or the keyframes, the the keyframes, if what's it called when you have all those animation on the keyframes, looks very good. Ooh. Why do I feel like it's a rage bait though? Ooch. You just called our work cheap. This isn't AI, it's a shit post, but thanks for the feedback. All right, so we just found out that it's not AI, it's a shit post. Been working on something like this for a couple months. Let me know if you want access. Oh, wow. Lots of folks are building Motion. And crazy enough, I actually did wanted to build one for the Bolt Hackathon. And would you believe that someone actually built something made with video one? Sickens me to my throat belly though, but it is what it is. All right, let's see what it's about. Oh, why? Just that example? You're not ready, bro. You are not ready. Okay. Okay, so that looks vibe coded a bit. Let's see. Did we get it right? Okay, wait. I don't think the person reviewed it. Made this launch video with just one prompt. Why you gotta rich bait us, man? Why? Why? 2.3k likes. Made this video with AI in 69 seconds. Only did 3 changes. All right, let's see. Let's see what those changes are. Okay, for some reason it's not loading. Okay. So I think it depends on your prompt as well, but oh, this one definitely looks vibe coded. Let's see.
Sur Google, pendant que vous lisez ces mots, vos clients viennent de trouver votre concurrent. Pourquoi? Parce qu'ils vous ont cherché sur Google et vous n'existez pas. Et si tout changeait en 14 jours avec GeoBoost? Aujourd'hui, créer un site professionnel, c'est...
Looks like a rage bait. We could not refill. 3 minutes of prompting. Yeah, this one looks more like it because it looks familiar to the demo they did, right? So it looks really real. It looks AI-ish, not real, is what I'm saying. All right, so a lot of like people were like saying, a lot of folks are trying to do like a rage bait thing, but we don't want to see that. We know you don't believe it's gonna replace it, so we're gonna try to create our own very soon. Trails by Polygon. I want to swap it on it at Bitrum to USDC on Polygon, and then all right. So this one I've seen a lot of like terrible looking ones like this. For some reason, AI still struggles with making clean borders and all that stuff. But if you give it a design system or some like great UI and you have some standards in place, you'll probably get a better UI out of the box. I don't believe this is AI though. Okay, so I don't know if this is AI. I can't tell. Looks terrible enough to think it's AI, but looks great enough to feel like, okay, where is the boy that did this or the gal that did this? All right, let's go back a bit. Emotional as agent skills. Okay, same thing where we at. Made the same in chat code app. No need to download Claude Code. Simple and easy. All right. All right, so we got what we have now is we just got several examples still. Why am I yawning? Go and buy credits on LLM Get. Oh, cool. Other API, one API every model, everything you need. I actually feel like, tell me you added music. Oh my god. I feel like once you add music to this stuff, it kind of makes it a whole lot different and better. But the taste in music though is my issue here, but it's all good. You want something as close to this as possible.
Last was actually race, and that race could be measured, literally measured. He measured
Why am I yawning by 11 a.m. now, yo? Not that. You want something else? No, not this. Let me see. Not this one. Why am I yawning? Not this, bro. All right, so enough of all this. Let's see if we can get it to start. And by the way, if you're just joining, give me a second. Okay, we're back. I have to take care of something. No, I almost deleted my chat. All right, so let's create one ourselves. And how exactly do you do this stuff? How exactly do you create a video with Remotion? So I'm just gonna try to do that right now. Remotion skill. Okay, I think I have the page open on that tab. Remotion maintains a list of agent skills that define best practices for working in Remotion projects. These skills are useful for AI agents like Claude, Codex, or Cursor. You can install them by running. Okay, fancy. You are also offered the option to add skills when you create a new Remotion project. Oh, so you can do stuff with MCPs. You can have a system prompt. This is a prompt that can give you large language models. This is a prompt you can give. Oh, you can give large language models to teach them the mechanics and rules of Remotion. You can then prompt the LLMs to generate Remotion code for you. So you can either do it this route or you go to skills. Skills is the new king. So the world is moving away from MCP. Everybody's building skills now, so let's build one. Let's build one. I mean, let's use one. Let's consume one skill. Just gonna flip this to white. All right, so we need to do brown create video because I feel like you need to add the skills to something. So, or is it to cursor? Okay, you know what? Let's run this first. Or before we do that, let's go to the GitHub. I think we should see the GitHub. GitHub I have. Oh, I thought GitHub was gonna have like a better details and stuff, but it's fine. Let's go to GitHub and let's use my most trusted. Even though I'm not on the paid plan anymore. Oh, I never did pay for WAP anyways. I think I was like using the free trial still. But let's try and see if we can run it. So I'm gonna do npm skills, add Remotion skills. And that's the command I copied from right here. You can install them by running this and see what it's trying to do. It's trying to install the npx package for me. And then let's see what the next thing happens. So that's the first thing it's asking me to do, right? Just run this and it's gonna install some stuff, a bunch of stuff for you. And then you have to choose what client you want to install them to. And client means where do you want to use it? Cloco, Anti-Gravity, Cursor, Gemini, Goose, Kiro, Tray, Windsurf. And then OpenCode is not here, but I'm guessing it shares some form of like search for Claude, so maybe you could find it if you install with Claude as well. But let's choose Cursor because I love Cursor. I use Cursor, and nobody's kind of talking about doing this in Cursor. So let's see. Installing current directory connected with your project or global, or you want to install across all your projects. That's a good question. I think we're not doing projects alone, just projects. Symlink, so you install it once and it copies around. Proceed installation, yes. Thank you so much, Chuck. Oh, and that's it. It's done. And the crazy thing is, this skills, the stuff is made possible by Vercel. Vercel has a directory called the skills.sh directory, skill.sh. You can see it right here. Skill. Vercel has a skill.sh directory, and it has Remotion best practices. It has 3D. It has, oh wait, I think this is the skill, the Remotion best practices. There's just different types of skills. There's a 3D skill, there's the Remotion skill, there's a media bonus skill. But this one right here is the one that is probably gonna get fetched, right? Because if you look at the command, it's Remotion dev skills. So it's probably gonna get everything inside here. Oh, that makes sense. So it's fetching everything, both the force, all the skills inside here is fetching it. So let's see what that looks like for us. Now that we've installed, I'm just gonna do Cursor and open Cursor in this environment. Let's see. All right, so we have Cursor right now open. Cursor right now is open, right? Let's switch to the editor layout where we're gonna see everything right here. So now the skill has been installed, and it has installed agents. So there are different types of like clients that might want to reference each particular one. And one of the reasons why this is becoming fragmented is a lot of people are just building fast as possible and just creating their own nomenclature for this stuff. So when one of them just kind of generalizes and become popular, everybody experiments and just ship their own version of stuff. So that's why you have like several things here. But of course, we can delete anyone we don't use. We're not gonna use Goose, Kiro 2, Winsoft Tray, Gemini, Claude, agent. We're just gonna delete all of them. Or in fact, I'm just gonna leave this agent or something, because I know that that one might be tricky. So I can move all of this to trash, and we now have Cursor, Claude, and agent. We're gonna delete Claude as well. Then we have Cursor, we have agents. You know what? These two probably gonna delete them. We're gonna delete this one as well. We're gonna delete this one as well. Delete. All right, so that's it. We're gonna do that, and now we have the skills. I'm probably just gonna install this. Okay, awesome. So now that we have these skills, we can now use it. And according to the guide, it says, let's take this, even though it's not the best prompt in the world right now, and we're going to make you better. Okay, so skills for Remotion. All right, let's test it out. Now that we installed the skills, let me go here and say, we also offer the option to add skills when you create a new Remotion project. Use best practices. When you create a new Remotion project, do you create a new Remotion project using the best practices, right? create a new Remotion project using the best practices. That's the prompt we're going to use. I'm probably going to give it like a, think of this like a infographics or documentary. So I want fast-paced one-word font on the screen, and then later. All right, so think of this like an infographic or documentary. So I want a fast-paced one-word text on the screen, and create a video for a product launch for Cursor AI. I'm just gonna enter. Let me see what happens. But now we have the skill, right? That's the Remotion best practices skill. Unable to open. Oh, is it that large? Oh, symbolic. What does that even mean? Does that mean I've deleted the files that it was referencing? Let's see what's gonna happen though. Let's see what's gonna happen. So anyways, it's going to try and do its thing. All right, so let's wait for it to complete its stuff. While we're waiting, I can just give me a second. I'll be back. Okay, so I think we got something back now. Let's play it and see. Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh my god. What? Did you see that? That was completely done. Alright, let me see any other thing. Cursor AI. The future is here. AI that thinks, creates, delivers fast. Oh my god, that is crazy, yo. Alright, now so he created a vertical version of this for me as well. The future is here. AI that thinks, creates, delivers fast, smart. All right, so that is beautiful, and that is done using prompting, and all it took was a little time. Let me see everything that is running. Video is working. Here's what I created. The cursor launch video. The future is here. That things. Horizontal burst transition. Logo review with glow animation. Tagline, intelligence amplified. CTA cursor AI. All right, so this is very cool. And this was done with just one single prompt. Okay, but I think he misunderstood what I was trying to do, because he created a new folder and installed cursor into it again and Remotion. All right, so that is cursor with the skills package. And where are the other stuff? Where's it? Okay, this is it. This is it. Let's play it again. It looks very good. This is one. The future is here. Things great, delivers fast. I kind of like I can't remember the words still, but that stuff that happens when a transition happens. The smoothing or the ease. Yeah, the easing. I like it, easing. All right, so that is the Remotion dev skills, and literally all it took me was one prompt, and I can go back and forward and make it better, tell it to give me one certain thing in a different version, and it's going to do all of that. And now you can do it too. You basically saw how I did it. You copy this and paste that, and that's all you need to do, right? Let me know if you're gonna try this, and if it's something that you also try. Let me know. And I want to see what you guys are saying in the chat, so I'm just gonna pull up this real quick. And you see all the skills right here. Can you see all the skills? All the skills we have right here. Can you see everything? These are all the skills we have right now. There's the one for creating mobile apps. There's one for creating almost everything. Close to, oh my God. What? More than 4,000 skills created? What? What? 5,950 skills created? Wow. Must be so easy to create skills, man. Let me find something for Ethereum. Of course. Let me find something for Framer Motion. Of course. GSAP. GSAP is there. Animation. It's there. There's literally skills for almost everything now. You can call it agent. The skills for everything now. Let's see the trending one. Of course, Remotion is trending. Front-end design is also trending. And it's also, I think, about official by Anthropic and all. So skills allow you to give your agents instructions to do something really well. So that's it. But you can see we played around with ourselves, and we also got something very interesting to work with, right? I mean, I like this. This is very cool. And I can download it. I think to download, I go to file, and I render it. Render is gonna give me the options to like render the video and download it to my machine. And you can also like move this stuff around. I think there are also like options to edit it, right? Okay. All right, so that's the first, that's that about like Remotion skills. We're gonna check let me see the stream. There are lots of stuff right now to talk about, like for real. There are lots of stuff, right? All right, so hopefully you guys get to play around with this, and I would like to see. So we're gonna come back later in the evening to play around with this more. I want to take this opportunity to set up the space properly and also experiment more with about this stuff. But we'll be back. There are lots more stuff to explore. We're back in the evening and we're going to talk about it. So see you guys by 6 p.m., 7 p.m. West African time. And we're going to look this more. So that's it. Thanks for staying around for this. We're going to have a much better stream in the evening. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day.